Hi all, today I am going to show you how to make chapatis using this chapati maker. 6 months ago I bought it from India. Before buying this, I used to make chapatis using traditional rolling pin. Since I have bought this new chapati maker, I stopped using the traditional one as this is very convenient, less messy and it makes chapati circles very fast. We will take the same size of chapati dough ball. We will need 1 spoon of oil for making 20 chapatis. 1 plastic sheet. This is a lamination sheet. You need a circle shape. After we buy this chapati maker, we need to cover the base of it with plastic. Without the plastic base, dough gets stuck to the wooden base. You need to cover it with plastic. So let us start. Take a drop of oil on your finger and spread it over the palms. Take dough ball and flatten it. While doing so, the oil gets transferred to the dough ball. Keep this dough ball in the center of the base. Then take the circle plastic sheet and place it over the ball. Close the cover and press the metal handle down. And here is your chapati circle ready. Isn't it faster and very easy? Now remove the plastic sheet gently and keep it aside. While lifting the chapati, hold the chapati using both of your hands and place it on the hot pan for cooking. By the time this chapati is cooking, we will start making the other chapati. Take a drop of oil, rub it on your palm, roll the dough ball on palm so that the oil gets coated to the dough ball. Flatten the ball a bit. Place a plastic sheet on it. Close the cover of chapati maker and press the metal handle. Here is my another chapati circle ready within few seconds. Now it's time to turn the chapati upside down, which is on the tawa. After your chapati is ready, no need to apply oil on it to keep it soft, as we have already applied oil on our palm before making the chapati circle. Now can you see the bubbles started forming on the chapati? I usually use 2 tawas while making chapatis. Chapati circles get ready faster than its cooking time. By using 2 tawas, you can make 2 chapatis in 1 minute and save your time. See now, the chapati on tawa started puffing. Me and my family members are really happy with this chapati maker. Isn't it quick and easy? Those who are not very good in making circle chapatis, for them it is really very useful. These are as soft as our normal chapatis. It doesn't need extra oil at all. I bought it from India. I am from Pune, so of course chapati maker is from Tulshibag. For those who don't know what is Tulshibag, for them it is a favorite shopping place for all women. You get everything from the world out there. These chapatis remain soft for 24 hours. If you are traveling for 2-3 days and your kids are alone at home, then you can cook chapatis and keep them in the fridge. Kids can make it warm whenever they want to eat. Chapati diameter is 9 inches. So here are my chapatis ready. So, did you like my video? Then please hit like button and also comment below. Do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.